And often, on a Friday afternoon when we were working at the studio, he'd call us and say, come over, what are you working on? And we'd tell him, and he knew already, but then he'd say, play it for me. And we'd play this song. And about 7, 8 years ago, it was Walt's 100th birthday, and they dedicated that wonderful Blaine Gibson statue of his partners, Mickey Mouse and Walt Disney, looking into the future, and always pointing out into the future. And I was asked to play a few songs. And so I did, but then at the end I said, I'd like to play this one song, not for you folks out there, just for Walt, because this was his favorite. And interestingly enough, just as I was finishing the song, one bird flew out of a cloudless sky, right over where I was playing the piano, went off again. And I knew Walt was saying, thanks. This is for Walt. Early each day to the steps of St. Paul's, the little old bird woman comes. In her own special way, to the people she calls, come buy my bags full of crumbs. Come feed the little birds, show them you care, and you'll be glad if you do. Their young ones are hungry, their nests are so bare. All it takes is tuppence from you. Feed the birds, tuppence a bag. Tuppence, tuppence, tuppence a bag. Feed the birds, that's what she cries, while overhead her birds fill the skies. All around the cathedral, the saints and apostles look down as she sells her wares. Although you can't see it, you know they are smiling each time someone shows that he cares. Though her words are simple and few, listen, listen, she's calling to you. Feed the birds, tuppence a bag, tuppence, tuppence, tuppence a bag.